Hello, welcome to the Academy. We've been asked to put together an academy for you guys that is specifically related to how Sturgeon Electric values their project engineers and how they wish for you to be able to perform your work and expand your careers as a result of it. Mr. Patty Moore is the dean, and he's actually the chief in charge of the entire academy. Patty has a long, extensive background with Sturgeon Electric, going back many, many years. And Patty and I actually worked with a company before then, Dyna Electric, for many years.
Quite a few years.
And so, you know, we've gotten to know each other pretty well over the years. And I've been on the job sites for Patty as a scheduler, as a project manager, as a project engineer. And we've built a lot of larger buildings for Sturgeon. And so with that said, I'll leave it to you, Patty.
And Bob, as he said, he and I worked together on lots of projects, but before I got to know Bob over at Dyna, Bob had worked down in Dallas and in Atlanta doing 50-story high-rises.
Oh, yeah.
So he's got a lot of intense construction, and he is an outstanding scheduler, besides being the electronic guru for our group when we were at Sturgeon for many years. And so we've decided that with Sturgeon wanting to put together this academy, that we're really looking forward to developing the things in this class, or the courses for this class, that will really have some major benefit for your careers.
And we have taken, as a part of that process, just walked through how we've built the jobs over the years and how we've had many project engineers that we've mentored in the process. And some of those people that we mentored are actually now your bosses.
Yep.
And so we've had a lot of success and enjoyed seeing all the project engineers grow over the years and become project managers and vice presidents. And
we were also project engineers for quite a few years. So we understand what it is to do what you're doing. And we're also project administrators, and we're also project managers. So sometimes when you're on a job that by yourself, you're going to do everything. And how you do that to the best of your ability is going to determine what really the most important subject is that we're going to get to, and that's about the money.
Right.
So,
and what we have done is we've broken it up into a 3-year curriculum. So the first year we're going to really be going through the very basic aspects of how we do logs and how we do our blueprints, our change orders, our RFIs, all those things that you guys are probably very familiar with, but we're just going to kind of do a brush up on it, see what you do know, and if there's more, if you have questions, this is a great opportunity for you to ask us on these classroom schedules every week those questions, so we can really give you some true answers, because we know how it is on the job site. We're also too busy.
Yeah, that's right. And we're also going to make this so that it is truly an online class, as well as a mentorship type program where we get face-to-face on GoToMeeting, so that we can have some true discussions without necessarily having to type them, email them, or chat in the chat rooms on the keyboards. I'm old school to the point where I like the face-to-face. I want to know what's on your mind. I want to know what you're thinking and why you're thinking that. So as Bob and I work through these items, we're going to see which one works best and in which situation, and we're going to be open to be able to make this course do exactly what Sturgeon wants it to do for you guys, and also what you guys want it to do for you.
Yeah, so we welcome you guys, and we hope this is really a great school for you to expand your careers. We'll be starting this first series with a prerequisite course, which is just Welcome to Sturgeon Electric. And in that video, we're going to really kind of outline how big this company is, how they operate, the types of work they do, and how you can set your goals inside of this framework to virtually become anything your heart desires. If you're willing to put the time and the effort to learn it and become very good at it, you can go, the sky's the limit with this company. And
we're also going to tell you what we expect of you and what your performance should be in year 1, year 2, year 3. So we want you to grow into this and really adapt. The construction for me, from my end of the world, has been absolutely fantastic. You get to do something different every day. Even though you do some of the same things in a different place, the circumstances are always different. So your mind is truly going to be on fire for most of your career. And what I enjoyed most, I think, about being a project engineer was the fact that I had a lot of mentors that input into me, that truly helped me to become what I thought was a pretty good project manager.
Yeah, and it's also interesting as we got into building this academy using the new technology. You know, we're used to having mentoring kids and project engineers just getting out of college, and it would take us 10 or 15 years before these guys really got to the proficiency levels for them to advance in the company. And with this academy, we think we can really leapfrog you guys around it in a much shorter period, and you'll have a chance to advance your career much quicker as a result of what we're doing here. So you're only going to get out of this class what you put into it, but if you do put into it, we think you're going to come out and be very pleased with your eventual career and where you end up in the industry.
And Bob and I think that we have a lot of experience and a lot of knowledge, as well as understanding and wisdom, to be able to throw out for you guys.
Yeah, so with that said, we're going to go ahead and move into our first class, which is Welcome to Sturgeon Electric, and we hope you guys have a great time. And if you have any problems, please feel free to call Patty or me, and we'll sit and we can chat face to face over the computers. We can do it on a telephone call. We can do it just about any way you want. But do bring up your questions. So that's what we're here for. So with that said, let's move on to SECO 100, which is Welcome to Sturgeon Electric. So thank you.